Moving on to Clause 5.2 Contractor's Documents Flowchart. Starting node. Clause 5.2 Contractor's Documents. This is where we begin understanding the contractor's obligations regarding the documents they must provide. Next is contractor's documents defined. The contractor's documents include all the technical documents that the employer has listed as requirements, as well as documents needed for legal approvals, as-built documents, and operation and maintenance manuals. Next is documents written in defined language. The contractor must write all these documents in the language that the contract specifies for communication, unless told otherwise. Next is preparation of contractor's documents. The contractor needs to prepare all the documents mentioned above. They also need to create any other documents that are necessary for instructing their workers. Next is right of inspection by employer's personnel. The employer's team has the right to check how these documents are being prepared, no matter where the preparation is taking place. Next is submission for engineer's review approval. If the employer's requirements say so, the contractor has to send certain documents to the engineer to look over and possibly approve. Next is submit with notice of compliance. When submitting a document for review, the contractor must also send a notice saying that the document is ready for review and use, and whether it meets the contract requirements or not. Next is review period not exceeding 21 days. The engineer has up to 21 days to review the document from the time they receive it, and the notice from the contractor. Next is engineer reviews documents. Now, the engineer checks the documents to see if they meet the contract standards. Next is decision point. Is the document compliant? The engineer must decide if the document follows the contract rules. Next is if non-compliant. Engineer's notice of non-compliance. If the document doesn't meet the standards, the engineer will tell the contractor what's wrong. Next is rectification and resubmission at contractor's cost. The contractor must fix the issues and send the document back for another review, and they have to pay for any costs involved in this process. Next is if compliant. Engineer's approval. If the document meets the standards, the engineer will approve it, which may come with comments or without. Next is execution in accordance with reviewed documents. The contractor can start work according to the documents that have been reviewed and approved. Next is notice by contractor for design document modification. If the contractor wants to change a design or document that was already submitted, they must tell the engineer right away. Next is submission of revised documents. The contractor must send in the changed documents following the same process as before. Next is deemed approval after review period expiry. If the engineer doesn't respond within the 21-day review period, the document is considered approved. Next is engineer requests further documents. If the engineer decides that more documents are needed, they will ask the contractor to make them. Next is contractor prepares documents promptly. The contractor must quickly prepare any additional documents the engineer asks for. Next is approval does not relieve contractor of responsibility. It's important to note that just because the engineer approves a document, it doesn't mean the contractor is off the hook for making sure everything is done right according to the contract. This is the end of the process for handling contractor's documents, according to Clause 5.2.